Hello everyone. So we are finishing up setting up for our Christmas tree season, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour. So we have our trees out here. We have our pre-cuts over here. Some handmade wreaths. And inside of our little store here, we have some handmade soaps by Blue Mountain Farms, a handmade stool, a wall hanging Christmas tree, a decorative stump, another handmade wreath, and inside we have some handmade signs, some decorative wine bottles, more signs, and wine bottles. We have some homemade art yarn by Miss Maddie Moose, that's me, a hand knit cowl, some yarns that we processed in our fiber mill, some soap and lotion kits, bird nest feeders, and from Alpaca Fiber Designs, we have some wool balls, little wine cozies, and even some water bottle holders. By Blue Mountain Farms, we have some homemade canned goods, we have some maple covered nuts, some fudge, also by Blue Mountain Farms. We have some homemade sleighs, and in the corner here we have a decorated tree. Some of the ornaments are made by Blue Mountain Farms. And by Hopping Acres, we have some super cute little sheep. And these sheep are made with lesser long wool fiber, and it's to help preserve this heritage breed. Little Santa paintbrushes. Hodgepodge yarn from the mill, more signs, some handcrafted and hand knitted accessories. From Grazing Herd Sheep and Wool Company, we have these beautiful stockings. And over here we have some more homemade soap by Blue Mountain Farms. And by Rosefield Farm, which is a local Pennsylvania farm, we have some PA preferred products such as lotions, lip balm, and they're all sorts of flavors. And that concludes our tour of the little store we have. I hope to see you guys come out and see what all we have. Thank you.